মিস করছি রে দেখো খুশি হইলাম
She want to murder, she want to commit judicial murder in the country. Get rid of, she want to get rid of all the Islamic scholars. It is time now. It is time now to wake up, dear brothers and sisters. In the interest of democracy, justice and human rights, to establish the values for which in 1971 we fought the liberation war. Our intention was to establish democracy, human rights and justice.